Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Bangalore location. It is from Karnataka. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for a research programmer position. So it is for Java or Python. So it is from iMatis Technologies for Bangalore location. So it is in the research category. So coming to qualification BE or BTech. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this position. So fresher candidates are eligible to apply. Coming to roles and responsibilities, working with internal teams to obtain an in-depth understanding of the technical concept and gathering, analyzing and composing technical information, conducting research and ensuring the use of proper technical terminology, and also producing a high quality research code that meets applicable standards and is appropriate for its intended clients. So these are the roles and responsibilities, and it will be a full-time job. So fresher candidates and the students who wants to do the internship, so those candidates are eligible to apply for this position. And coming to salary, it will be between 1,50,000 to 1,80,000 rupees per annum. So fixed shift will be provided for this position. So for more detailed information and in order to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description. You please check with that. Next one, there is a job opening for junior Java developer position. So it is from Karabi Software Private Limited for Bangalore location. So it will be a full-time job. So fresher candidates are eligible to apply. So you should be having knowledge on core Java, and also good analytical and program solving skills are required. And salary will be between 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. So working days will be Monday to Friday, and it will be morning shift. So for more detailed information about this position, so to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description, so you please go through with that. So next one, there is a job opening for operations executive position. So it is from L&T Technology Services Limited. So job description is provided here. So you please go through with that. And for more detailed information, we have provided the link in the description. So you please go through with that. Next one, there are the openings available from Zomato Limited. So they have vacancies for the delivery drivers or delivery executives. So it is for fresher candidates. So it will be either a full-time or part-time job, and for full-time job you can earn up to 40,000 rupees per month, and for part-time job you can earn up to 20,000 rupees per month. So freshers with any degree, fresh graduates, 12th pass or 10th pass, so these candidates are eligible to apply for these positions. And the candidates with the prior experience in food delivery, delivery operations, delivery boy, delivery guy, delivery driver, delivery executive, so these persons courier guy, so these persons are eligible to apply for the positions mentioned here. So it will be from Monday to Friday, and weekends. So you should be having knowledge on Kannada, Hindi and a little English, so it will be preferred. Coming to roles and responsibilities, you need to pick and deliver the food on time with best service quality. So you should be having license or certification, I mean two-wheeler driving license is preferred for these positions. Next, you are going to provide some of the benefits provided here, like weekly payments and flexible work timings, morning, afternoon, evening, and late night. And referral bonus will be there, joining bonus and insurance coverage. So, and also attractive incentives. So, these are the benefits they are going to provide for the candidates. And if you see here, before applying, you need to ensure that you have the following documents. You please check with the documents provided here, and for more detailed information to apply for this position, the link is available in the description, so you can check with that. Next one, there is a job opening for data analytics internship position from Thoughtway Training Private Limited. So coming to day-to-day responsibilities, analyze the data, work with a team, and you need to deliver daily reports to the respective person, and also you need to work on data loading, storage and file formats, and also work on data cleaning and preparation, and at last join, combine and reshape. So these are the day-to-day responsibilities for this internship position. So the candidates the students or freshers who are available for full time in internship, so these candidates are eligible to apply for this position. So who can start the internship between 31st July 2021 and 4th September 2021, and also who are available for the duration of 3 months. So it will be 3 months. So the graduates and fresher candidates, like fresh graduates and also students, are eligible to apply for this data analytics internship. And coming to other requirements, the candidates from the Bangalore are preferred, like UG or PG or diploma in data science, especially Python and SQL. And so these candidates are eligible, and you should be having knowledge in advanced Excel using Solver Python language basics, and knowledge of data structures, functions and files. So these are the languages you should be known. So 4 vacancies are available for these positions. So please check with all the details provided here about this internship, and for more detailed information we have provided the link in the description, so you please check with that. Next one, there are openings for software engineer position from Audit Labs. So for this position, qualification will be BE or any equivalent degree or diploma in electronics, and you should be having some knowledge in basic electronics and knowledge in embedded development, and also hands-on experience in using development boards like Arduino or any equivalent boards, and Python development. So these are the skills you should be needed, and it will be a full-time job, and they are going to offer a salary will be 15,000 rupees per month for this position, and you are going to get health insurance. So these are the benefits. So it will be day shift. So for more detailed information, you please check with the all the details, and for more detailed information like other details and to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description, so you please check with that. One, there are openings for member of technical staff intern position. So it is from Riverbed Technology Inc. So for this position, responsibilities will be software design and coding in C, C++, Python, Perl, Java, mainly in Linux environment, requiring continuous learning of computer systems, networking protocols and storage, etc. And GUI design of various product portfolio, and debugging internal and customer found issues, and unit or integration or functional or regression testing, both manual and automation. So these are the day-to-day responsibilities you need to perform. And coming to required skills, you should be having good understanding of computer science, like operating systems, networking, data structures and algorithms, and also coding or scripting skills in any one of the following languages such as C, C++, Java, Perl and Python. And also you should be having excellent analytical skills and excellent learning skills, and ability to work in teams. So these are the required skills, and for more detailed information and also to apply for this intern position, we have provided the link in the description, so you please go through with that. Next one, there are openings for the data analytics internship position. It is from 56 AI Technologies Private Limited. And coming to day-to-day responsibilities, you need to handle end-to-end data analysis and reporting, and also work on web and app analytics, and you need to work on data mining and insight generation. So these are the responsibilities about this internship position. So coming to like two positions, like two vacancies are available for this data analytics internship position, and categories will be analytics and data science. So those candidates like students and fresher candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and it will be duration of 3 months. So for more detailed information about this position, we have provided the link in the description, so you please check with that, and you please go through with the link, and it is available in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for .NET fresher position. So it is from vendor to pay private limited, and they are going to offer a salary will be 4 lakhs to 5 lakh rupees per annum, and it is for fresher candidates. It will be full time, and from working days from Monday to Friday. So you should be having a good aptitude and problem solving skills, and must be completely done with their like BTech or MTech. So these are the education qualification details, and for more detailed information you please check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for web development internship position. So it is from CXO branding. So for this position, day-to-day responsibilities would be creating web pages using HTML, CSS, and Java, and designing web pages, and working on email designs, and also working on website in development. So these are the responsibilities. So students currently studying students, and also experienced like fresher candidates, and those candidates who are waiting to build their career, so those candidates are eligible to apply. So it would be duration of 6 months. So females willing to start or restart their career may also apply for this internship position. So two vacancies are available, and it is in the uh, web development, computer science and engineering category. So for more detailed information, you please check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for data analyst position. So it is a internship from Thoughtway Training Private Limited. So for this position, qualification will be UG or PG plus certificate or diploma in data science, especially Python and SQL, and also you should be having knowledge in advanced Excel using Solver. So fresher candidates and experience, like if you have 6 months of experience, so those candidates are also eligible to apply for this internship position, and it is for Bangalore location. So you are going to get a stipend will be 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per month, and first 3 months. So for first 3 months you are going to get this stipend. So for more detailed information, and you please check with the all the skills and other details, and for more detailed information about this internship position, we have provided the link in the description, so you please go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for Android developer position. So it is from Conitor Software Private Limited. So coming to skills, you need to expertise in Java, Kotlin, and or both, and vital Android SDK concepts, and decent experience with SQL is required, and you should be having knowledge of Git and XML basics, and also understanding of material design guidelines and Android Studio. So these are the skills required for this position. So fresher candidates are eligible to apply. So it will be full-time job, and you are going to get 1 lakh to 3 lakh rupees per annum for this position. So it will be work from home, and so education qualification would be masters is preferred. So experienced candidates, like if you have 1 year of experience in Android development, so those candidates are preferred for this position. So for more detailed information, you please check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for embedded software development internship positions. So it is from Donla Incorporation. So coming to day-to-day responsibilities, you need to work on the latest automotive technology, connected cars, and V2X, and engaging in live product development and working individually on the complete project from scratch. So these are the day-to-day responsibilities. So please check with this. And so students and fresher candidates both are eligible to apply for this internship position, and it will be available for the duration of 6 months. So you please check with that. And 4 vacancies are available for this position, and for more detailed information you please check in the description for the link. Next one, coming to next one, there is a job opening from Simply Live Digital LLP. So they are offering, they have vacancies for this web development internship position. So both freshers and currently studying students are eligible to apply for this position, and it is duration of 6 months. So coming to day-to-day responsibilities, you need to work on CMS like WordPress, Joomla and Shopify, and you need to work on HTML to WordPress and building WordPress CMS websites, plugins, theme development and customization, and also working on payment gateway integration. So these are the day-to-day responsibilities. And if you want to know more detailed information, we have provided the link in the description, so you please go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for web development internship position. So it is from new. So for this position, day-to-day responsibilities would be, you need to work on constant charges in terms of layouts, designs on existing websites, and if need be, develop new websites, and you need to provide IT support. So these are the responsibilities. And so freshers and students, those who wants to build their career early, so those candidates are eligible to apply for this position. So only one vacancy is available. So it is in the category of web development and NGO, computer science engineering and volunteering. So these are the details. So for more detailed information, and if you want to apply for this internship position, we have provided the link in the description. You please check with that. Next one, there is a job opening for web development internship position. So it is from Screenkia Technologies Private Limited. So coming to day-to-day responsibilities, dynamic web application development, UI or UX designing work as a data analyst, and work on business intelligence applications, work on documenting features, technical specifications and infrastructure work cross-functionally to convert business needs into technical specifications. So coming to like specialization would be HTML, CSS, JavaScript, web development frameworks, SQL. So freshers and students, both candidates are also eligible to apply for this position. So only 5 vacancies are available. So please check with all the details provided here. And if you want to know other details and to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description. So you please go through with that. One, there is a job opening for software development internship position from DecBed. So coming to day-to-day responsibilities, you need to develop mobile and web applications using the latest technology and analyzing requirements and translating them into applications. So these are the responsibilities. So only 2 vacancies are available for this position. Categories would be software development, computer science, engineering, full stack development, and web development. So students and both freshers both are eligible to apply for this position. And for more detailed information, you can check in the description for the link. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.